Cloud computing. What is cloud computing? When we use this term, we mean large groups of remote servers which are networked with each other to allow centralized data storage and online access to computer services or resources. More simply, we have a number of computers which have the ability to access data uploaded on the internet or even upload their own data and process it online through the forenamed remote servers. By knowing these details, a question arises. Why is cloud computing appearing now and did not appear 10 years earlier? The answer is quite simple. There are a number of factors which help the appearance and development of this technology. Some of these factors are the widespread of smartphones and tablets, which have the ability to use this technology, the increase of internet speed, and the decrease of the internet cost. And while cloud computing is growing, more and more benefits are appearing. We can now connect to the internet through many devices and use the cloud computing services. We can connect from anywhere and at any time. We can use this technology and save a copy of our files in order to have a backup in case we lose the original ones. No need to live in fear that your hard drive will fail you at a critical moment. Also, a large amount of computing resources are shifted from your device or computer to the cloud. This decreases the need for a powerful computer, meaning that the cost of purchase will be significantly lower. You will even see a noticeable increase in performance because you will no longer have a lot of programs clustering your memory and registry. You have seen the benefits for the individual user. Now let's see how these benefits can be further extended so that businesses can take advantage of the cloud. This allows a business to obtain the service it needs without having to worry about the complex aspect of the computer system, having to maintain the hardware and constantly keeping the software up to date. This in turn will reduce the expenses of the business as for it will be relieved from the cost of extra infrastructure and wages for people that would maintain the system. There still will be a cost for the service, of course, but it will be significantly lower because you will pay as much as you use. Also, another noticeable benefit is the ease which you can scale up or down the service you acquire based on the changing needs in a very short time. Storing your data in the cloud might arise some question on how secure your data is. There are ways to ensure the safety of your data, but remember, there is no absolute way to guarantee this safety. For one, the company itself puts a lot of time and investment on securing users' private data. Gaining a solid trust from the people is what will make it a successful company at the end of the day. Another point, a simple one, is to have a strong password when connecting to the service, which you should also frequently change. In addition, it's important to monitor your device or computer for any suspicious activity behind the hood, with the help of a strong antivirus to prevent your password from being stolen. The best way to achieve data security is through encryption. Before sending your information to the cloud, you can encrypt them with a unique key and use the same key to decrypt it back. This way, if your data gets stolen, it won't be readable. For businesses, they can use a deployment model of a private cloud or even a hybrid cloud, a combination of a private and a public one, so they can have bigger control over the sensitive information. Lastly, constantly new and stricter data privacy legislations are being enforced to prevent the misuse of your information. If you still feel that your information is not safe, you can always avoid putting sensitive information on the cloud and back them up by yourself and use offline applications.